Heating bills feeling sky high this winter? You're not alone. But the good news is, staying warm doesn't have to mean burning through your budget. With just a few simple habits, like adjusting your thermostat slightly and sealing up drafts, you can lower your heating bill by up to 10 to 20% without sacrificing comfort. First, you can lower your thermostat. Drop it by just 1 to 2 degrees to save up to 3% on your heating bill. All night, lower it even more and rely on cozy bedding. Bonus tip, a smart thermostat can automate this and adjust based on your routine. Set it and forget it for heat pumps and hybrids. If you have a heat pump or a hybrid system, avoid constantly adjusting the temperature. These systems work best when kept steady. Why? Frequent changes can trigger backup heating and increase wear and tear. Seal drafts and insulate. Weather stripping, caulking, and door sweeps help keep cold air out. Close off unused rooms and check attic insulation. Aim for R50 or better. Let the sun in. Open curtains during the day and let the solar heat in, especially on south-facing windows. Close them at night to trap the warmth inside. Keep vents and radiators clear. Make sure nothing's blocking your vents or radiators, like rugs or furniture. Clean them regularly so warm air can move freely through your home. Use ceiling fans wisely. Set fans to spin clockwise in winter to push warm air down into the room. It's a small change that makes a noticeable difference. Replace or clean your furnace filter. A clogged filter means your furnace works harder and costs more. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months or check your system's recommendations. Schedule a furnace tune-up. Annual maintenance keeps your system running safely and efficiently. It helps prevent midwinter breakdowns and extends your furnace's lifespan. Want to stay warm and save money this winter? Affordable Comfort is here to help with furnace tune-ups, smart thermostat upgrades, and more. Let's keep your home cozy and your bills low.